Alex Hormozi has cracked the YouTube code with a strategy so effective that his YouTube channel converts 3 to 4 times better than any other platform. While most creators struggle to turn views into sales, he has built a system that consistently delivers high-ticket clients.
28.6% of our traffic comes from YouTube. All right, so a massive amount. But there's another caveat that I want to put on top of this. Our YouTube traffic converts at 3 to 4 times every other platform.
Today I'm breaking down his entire YouTube strategy. I'll show you his exact content framework, how he structures every video, his full YouTube funnel, and how to implement the same in your business. To understand Hormozi's YouTube strategy, first let's take a look at his audience targeting. While most creators chase views, Hormozi focuses on reaching business owners. Here's why this matters. 89% of people making $100,000 are on YouTube, which means a large portion of his audience is actually capable of buying his products. And unlike TikTok, where the average viewer stays for 5 to 20 seconds, his YouTube videos have an average watch time of over 9 minutes. Now, I'm not saying that TikTok is bad, but YouTube is where you build deeper relationships with your audience and turn the viewers into paying clients. This longer watch time is not any luck, it's because how he structures his content. Let me break down his exact content strategy. Hormozi mainly has 3 types of content: educational, authority, and actionable content. Educational is him talking about business and giving knowledge to his viewers, whereas authority content consists of case studies and breakdowns. For example, this video that you're watching is an example of authority content because I'm breaking down someone's funnel and this positions me as an authority in my niche. And last, actionable content, which is just some guides and methods that you can actually implement in your business. Now let me show you something crucial about how Hormozi structures his videos.
And if you're gonna obsess about something, these are the 2 things I would obsess on. Number 1 is the thumbnail. One of my last 2 videos was no BS advice on how to get rich in 10 years. And we split test 9 different thumbnails. And so thing 1 is the thumbnail matters a lot.
Let's break down his thumbnail strategy. His thumbnails show exactly what the video is about. They're not clickbait or anything, but intriguing. That is, they create curiosity in the viewer's mind. For example, in this video, if I wanted to become a millionaire in 2024, this is what I'd do. Full blueprint. The thumbnail is a roadmap on how to go from 0 to $1 million. These are the type of thumbnails that actually get clicks.
Thing 2 is the first 8 seconds of your video, you want to be done talking about what the video is going to be about and start. And this is something that when I see a beginner video, I watch and it's like 2 minutes before they actually start the video. You've already lost everyone. And so you're going to lose most people in the first 30 seconds. And so you want to crush the intro so they know it's exactly what you promised in the thumbnail headline, and then you get to the meat as fast as possible.
Now his video structure depends on 3 core elements. The first 8 seconds of his videos validate the viewer's click, which means the viewer gets what the title promised. He also states the outcome of the video and hooks with a promise or claim. Now the body of his content consists of explaining the points through stories and evidence. He does not gatekeep the value from viewers, which keep the viewers for long, and he gives a money-focused outcome for his audience. Now one thing Alex does is he creates open loops throughout the video. And he always talks about specific numbers, business frameworks, and real results. He doesn't just give theory, he shows exactly how things work in the real world. Now let me show you how Hormozi actually converts his viewers into paying clients. His YouTube system is mainly around top of funnel and middle of funnel YouTube content, which means his content is designed to attract a broad audience. For example, this video on how to make money so fast it feels illegal focuses on general business knowledge and industry trends. It builds awareness and interest. And this video about how he fixed a failing business engages viewers who are considering solutions. His main source of revenue in the YouTube funnel is through his paid products, which is acquisition.com and his 2 books. Now in the description, Alex puts the link on top. His pinned comment also repeats the main links.
You want to put it above the fold. So you want to have to be the first thing that somebody sees before they even click see more is where you want to drive them. You can also, pro tip, put the first comment that you have in the comment section, just pin that comment. So that gives you 2 different places, and third inside the video where you can drive traffic. This is just something that I've learned over time.
Now in his videos, the CTA is never pushy. He usually guides the viewers to the next video because he focuses more on building trust and authority for his viewers. Now, you might be asking, how do I implement this in my business? You need to follow what Hormozi calls proof, promise, plan framework. Start by establishing your credibility. This could be done through sharing a stat or a quick story. This builds viewers' trust upfront. Now, promise the viewer with a clear outcome. Make it specific and compelling. This engages the viewer's interest to watch more. Now, plan and outline the exact steps you will cover in the video. This sets clear expectations and keeps the viewers engaged. This is what your video structure should look like. Hook the viewer in the first 10 seconds by promising value upfront. Then jump right into the video by delivering immediate value. Avoid lengthy intros. Throughout the video, keep opening loops and create curiosity after each point. And at the end, create a strong call to action and guide the viewers to the next step. So by structuring your content this way, you ensure that your video is not only engaging, but also drives viewers to take action. Now that you have Hormozi's complete YouTube strategy, you need to consistently create content that converts. And that starts with finding the right video ideas. Watch this video next where I teach you how to find video ideas that actually convert. See you in the next one.